even taking a picture with the crowd. Can we have a picture with you? Alright, so what we need from you guys is on the count of 3, hands as high as you can, and scream as loud as you can. Alright? Here we go! Wait. No, Logan, this is not just you.
Ready?
Here we go, ready?